Alright, Mr. Sherman, this is the real tutorial on adding a printer to a network. First, on your PC, that's not the laptop, on your regular computer where the printer is directly connected to, go to your desktop, and from your desktop I'm going to need you to click on the Start menu. I'm assuming you have Windows XP. From Start menu, you're going to need to click Control Panel. Now on Control Panel, please look for an icon that reads Printers and Faxes. I'm going to need you to double click that. Now, opening that, you should look for the name of the printer that you have. In this case, it's a DeskJet 3650. Now, put your mouse cursor over that and right click on that. Not left click, but right click on it. Drop down menu should appear, and I'm going to need you to click on Properties. Wait for Properties to appear. Now look on the top, there should be some tabs there. For me it says General, Sharing, Ports, etc. Look for the tab that says Sharing. Click on that tab. I'm assuming as a default it's already on Do Not Share This Printer. I'm going to need you to click on Share This Printer. Select that as an option. And for the share name, I'm going to need you to name the printer as Printer. Just call it Printer. Don't capitalize or anything. Printer. Name it Printer. Make sure it's selected as Share This Printer. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now it's able to share. Now you can go to your laptop. Make sure you're on your laptop's desktop, and again go to Start, Control Panel. Now in Control Panel, I'm going to need you to click on Printers and Faxes once more. Okay, now depending on the setup of how your system is, there should be a button somewhere either directly in front of you or on the left hand column. It should say Add a Printer. So I'm going to need you to click on Add a Printer, and it should say Welcome to the Add Printer Wizard. Please click Next. And now there are two options, local printer or a network printer. Select the network printer option. Click Next, and I'm going to need you to select the option where it says Connect to this printer or Browse for a printer. Select this option and click Next. Select that, please. And this is the end of part 1 of my tutorial. Please download the second attachment in the email. That's part 2. Hello again, Mr. Sherman. This is Jason Matthew, and you're listening to part 2 of my tutorial on adding a printer. Now I apologize, in part 1 there might have been some inconsistencies. When I told you to click on Control Panel, you might have seen printers and other hardware. You could have clicked that, and then from clicking that it should have said Printers and Faxes. I'm not quite sure if that threw you off or if you're able to pick up on it, but either way that's how it should have gone. Alright, now where we last left off, you were at your laptop Control Panel. You clicked on Add a Printer, and you just selected Connect to this printer. And now it should say Name, and it's waiting for you to enter the name. Now here's the tricky part. Leaving that window open on the laptop, I'm going to need you to go to your PC, go to the desktop of the other computer, and once at that computer I'm going to need you to click on Start menu again. Now on your Start menu, it really depends on how your computer is set up. You should see My Computer there. There could be an icon My Computer. I'm going to need you to right click on that once more. Right click on My Computer and go down to Properties. Look on the top for tabs. It should say General, Computer Name, Hardware, Advanced, System Restore. Click on Computer Name. Alright. Computer description. Mine is Jason's computer. Yours might be Sherman's computer. Sherman family computer. Now, look under computer description. It should say full computer name and work group. Your full computer name is what I need right now. What you need, actually. Mine is Jason. Alright. Full computer name. Whatever yours may be. Copy that name down as it is. Alright. Remember that. Now, go back to your laptop. On the laptop, in that blank space where it says name, do the following. Very closely. / twice. So / once and again. Type in whatever your computer name is. So as I said, mine was Jason. Jason. Technically, this is the name of your server. Now, / once, following Jason. And if you recall, we had named your printer printer. Just type in printer. So, / twice, Jason, / once, printer. That's how it should look. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, right under it should say example, / server / printer. So, in case this isn't helping, it's right there. Now make sure there are no typos or anything. I'm going to need you to click next. Do you want to use this printer as a default? Click yes. Wait for it to connect. And on the final screen it should say completing the add printer wizard. It should say name HP desktop 3650 default yes. If you do everything right, it should come to that. And I'm going to need you to click finish. And if that went well, that means that you have successfully added your printer to your wife's laptop. Obviously, to test it, go to Microsoft Word. I'm not sure you know what that is. Alright. Go to File. Just click on Print. Alright, and it should say printer name on the top. The printer name. If you had successfully added the printer, when you click on that arrow for the drop down menu, it should say somewhere there, like whatever the computer name was. It should say HP DeskJet 3650. Whichever printer has that name, just click on that and click OK. That means your laptop is reading the printer from your other computer. If you click OK and if it prints, then I've successfully helped you and your wife will be happy, therefore satisfied with your work. Thank you for using Scuba Computer Support. See you.